charger. All right, guys, we got our first order today. It's supposed to be like 43, 44 bucks. Pretty far away. There was only like 5 items. One of the items wasn't there. The rotisserie chicken. You know, it's sad that we have to lose from the tip because the places don't have stuff ready. Like, how you don't have, it's 12 o'clock, how you don't have chicken behind chicken getting ready? So she said it was gonna take a while, so I was like, okay, refund. So this one will probably take an hour, 10 minutes total, and then obviously will be the drive back. That's extra, but I'll let you know what we get after this. It was some frozen healthy choice, 2 waters, something else. Let's see, then I can, since it's frozen stuff, I put it in the bag. Stay cool. All right, let you know when we get there. All right, so here's the water. And then 2 bags. All right, we got $44.95. It was a $41. What the app paid me, $3.62 tip. I think that was a set tip because I didn't bring everything. I don't even remember what I accepted at, but it don't have like a thing like if the tip went down. Total for $44.95, an hour and 5 minutes. Lego. We have 254 miles of range left, which is gonna go down when we get there, but we'll still be above 200. Nah, just an update. I was on the wrong page. Yeah, it was, the tip was 411, so it went down to 362. So it definitely was based off of percentage that was the tip. But ain't nobody crying about no 40 cents, 50 cents. All right, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment. If you want to see me make a living doing gig apps, got an $86 Publix, 2 people, 21 units for one, 56 for the other one. A little bit of a drive, about 25 miles, but if we could do it in 2.5 hours, it'd be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and start so I don't waste no more time. See you when I get back. All right, guys, so it's 10:19. I was reading the time on the app, and it took me 36 minutes to shop it before going to the register, putting everything on the register, ringing up, whatnot. So please get Swiss cheese in 1 chunk, not slice. Swiss cheese, girl, you ain't got no cheese on here. Weird people writing stuff. So yeah, so we should be able to make it within the 2.5 hours. Let go. All right, we dropped off the first one. It's 10:57 right now, so we dropped it off like a minute ago or less. And we are going through here. There's a bunch of golf carts and stuff, so I let that guy go. What else? So yeah, we're heading to the second one, and we should be there in 6 minutes. All right, so we got an hour and 37 minutes from acceptance time to the last delivery.
Turn left onto Sunset K Road.
And then we got 84.13, so we had them go down a little bit. So the total was 84.13. A was 12. It's not bad, but the other one was better. from 47, I went to 46. So that's great. So we're at 2 hours and 7 minutes, and we're at 113.34. That's why we do this. Wow. All right, guys, I was about to eat lunch with the wife at work, but another $80 came in. So I'm drop off the lunch to her after I shop this order. It's going back to the same area where I came from the first time, 2 people.
3/4 of a mile.
All right, I don't remember how long it took me to shop it, but it is 1:19. I'm gonna drop off lunch to the wife, and then I'm gonna drop these 2 orders off. I know there's been a bad traffic thingy going on, obstruction or whatever, the road when I was coming back, so I'm gonna have to take some side roads to bypass that. See when I get back. All right, so we ended up getting $84.70, total $59 tip for 2 hours and 9 minutes. Still better than the 2.5, so we did pretty good on the number. But it's like it's bad traffic, man. It's like there's an accident. It's crazy. Or I don't know if it's an accident, but something happened and it's delaying the traffic coming here, so I had to take like the other road. All right, so we are at a total of, let's see, 198.04. Why is that? Yeah, 198.04. Got 80, 80, and 29. Oh, that tip went up, that's why. Oh no, that was already up. Tripping. All right, guys, let's keep on going. So this is why all that traffic, look, the road's closed. I don't know where another car is at, and then they got the Burger King taped up so nobody going in and out. But can't nobody get on the road anyway. All right, guys, I don't know why this thing is still talking. There we go. So I got a Lowe's order, $20, 7 miles, 1 item, 8 units, 40 pound, the salt rocks for the water. So we're gonna go take that. It's 10:54. We should be there by 11:11, and I'll let you know what the tip and the pay was. All right, guys, we're here. We put everything in the front. I'll show you real quick. Probably stuff gonna fall out. £320. Fits nice like a glove. All right, so $3 tip, $17.38 pay from the app, 31 minutes. But we made $20. Don't matter about the tip, you know. People are just like that. They spend $300 on pellets or salt, whatever, and give you $3. So let's keep going. I'm okay with it. All right, guys, I just finished $122, 2 customers, 1 tip 78 and some change, the other one tip 18 and some change. Total time it took for that order was, and she get and order 8 at tip $78 gave me a $20 tip cash when I got there. So that's a $98 tip right there, almost $100. Total time is 2 hours and 19 minutes for $144, including the cash tip. That's why we do this. Forgot to mention, so with the cash tip for the day, we're at 180. That's right, 180. Let go. All right, guys, it's 9:40 in the morning. I just finished a $82.48 order. It took an hour and 50 minutes total. It was a Target. It's about 63 units. Where's most on out today? Not a bad start. Let go.